You're welcome to my channel. This is VsmDesigns. Today we are going to learn how to make this beautiful pocket design inspired by Ghetto clothing. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button right below this video and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. If you are a returning fan, thank you for checking back. Now let's go straight to today's tutorial. The first thing you are going to do is to cut your gum according to the dimensions that you want. For this one, I'm going to make the wideness 4.5 inches. I'll make the height to be 5.5 inches. So the dimensions of the pocket, this pocket is 4.5 by 5.5 inches. Then you are going to fold it this way and cut a corner of it, giving it a shape. Then you go ahead and gum. Then you fold. This folding is just for you to have creases all around the pocket, for you to have lines. Then you are going to use this one to determine the center of the pocket. Now we are going to cut a piece of gum. I'm going to make this 1/4 inches. This is what we are going to use to form the design at the center of the pocket, which one of them is V-shaped and the other is block shaped. Then the center of the pocket is this. Then I'm going to give allowance of about 1.5 inches. Then we're going to cut the gum. We're going to cut 2 inches for the V-shape side. Then for the downside, which is the block shaped side, we are also going to make it 2 inches. You also proceed to gum it on the fabric. For this particular one, I'm going to give enough allowance so that by the time I fold the sides, it will get to the center of the gum, since we are not going to run it thread all around. But a better way to do it is to cut another piece of material Place it at the front, then run thread beside the gum round and turn it, because we are not going to run thread around this V shape. So that's a better way to do this, but I'm doing it this way for the sake of this video. Then you just bend this side. For this one, you bend here, but I noticed later on that I made a mistake, which I'm going to show you in the course of this video. So you just fold, you don't need to give much allowance, because you are going to run thread round this one. Then I'm going to cut a strap of 1.5 inches wide. Please kindly give this video a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, YouTube will notify you first. We are going to place this one like this and run thread from under, just like I've done. You can trim off the sides. Then you are going to place this strap face up. The rough side is going to face up. Then you bend it this way and iron. Also bend this side the same way. I'm going to tack it here just with a stitch, which I've done. The stitching is not going to show because I'm going to fix a button on top of it. Then this one, this was the mistake I told you I made. I was supposed to fold the sides first before folding the upper part, so that I can run thread on it the same way I did on the V-shaped one. So I'll go ahead and run thread, and I've done so. Make sure that you place it in such a way that it aligns with the V-shaped one. It has to be on the same line. Then you are going to fold this way. It's just very simple. Then you iron it. You cut the excess. Then I'm going to use hemming gum to hold this down. I do the same on the second side. Also cut it and then use hemming gum to hold it down. Then I'm going to run thread round. I've just done so. Then you proceed to fold your pockets. Then I'm going to fix the buttons. Thank you for watching this video. Click on the banner showing on your screen right now to watch my other videos.